Today's recipe is a delicious brown sugar, pineapple, and honey hot wing sauce. This is the only hot wing sauce that we use at our house because it's that good. Try it for yourself and see. Like, comment, and subscribe because it helps the channel to grow. Thanks so much. We usually serve our wings with our homemade grilled pizza, so if you all would like a recipe for this, just leave a comment below. This is what I like to call my margaroni pizza, and it's one of my absolute favorites. You really can't go wrong with a homemade grilled pizza and wings. Let's get into today's recipe. The first thing I do is season my wings, and I rub them with just a little bit of olive oil on the front and back, and then I put the seasoning on. I shared the recipe for this spice rub in my smoked beer can chicken recipe video, and I will leave that link below in the description. I usually like to season my wings the night before and let them hang out in the fridge all night. If you're in a pinch, you could season them right before you cook them, but I do recommend at least 4 hours before you cook them. The longer rub time just helps them to be tender, juicy, and crispy. For the sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 6 ounces of pineapple juice. You'll also need a can of crushed pineapple and 100% pineapple juice, your favorite brand of hot wing sauce, along with a heavy saucepan or pot, whatever you call it, and finally you'll need some raw unfiltered honey. Turn your burner to low-medium heat because you're going to need a good simmer for this sauce. Open and pour in your can of pineapple juice. Strain as much juice as you can out of the can of crushed pineapple, and then you're going to reserve about a 1/4 cup of that crushed pineapple. That looks about a 1/4 cup. This is going to reduce down to a thick, heavy syrup, and it's going to take a good 15 to 20 minutes. While this reduces down, let's look at some South Florida flamingos. We're almost there. More flamingos? Anyone? Okay, this looks about right. When it's dark, thick, and syrupy, it's time to pour in the wing sauce. Pour in your wing sauce, let it continue on the same heat, and let this reduce down for another 5 to 10 minutes. Add your 2 tablespoons of brown sugar while your sauce continues to thicken up. Just make sure to stir in and dissolve the brown sugar. When the sauce looks thick and bubbly, remove it from the burner. When the sauce comes to room temperature, you could go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup of honey and that reserved pineapple. Stir that all together and it's all set to go on your wings. We like to smoke our wings, but feel free to smoke, grill, or bake. Deep fry your wings however you see fit. About 10 minutes before the wings are done, they'll go for a bath in the sauce. Just throw them in that pot there, stir it around, and then they'll go right back on the smoker to finish cooking. They will get basted with the sauce more as they continue to finish up on the smoker. And now the best part, plating. Tell me these don't look absolutely sweet, sticky, saucy, delicious. These are some of the best wings that you're ever going to make and eat. Absolutely lip-smacking, finger-licking good. Don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.